indirectly. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks to the opportunity given to me. My name is Marcella and my register number is J1A11915445. So, now I will present my journal that I chose. The journal is about effect of Nigella sativa oil on blood pressure in adult with hypertension Kendari, Indonesia. By Siti Hadrayanti Anandal dan N. Narmawan. So to save the time, let's start the presentation. Next. Background. Hypertension is defined as blood pressure 140/19 millimeters of mercury. The exact cause of the disease is not yet known with certainty, but indirectly the factors that play a role in hypertension are intake of salt, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, obesity, alcohol, stress, exercise, and other dietary. Increased blood pressure is a major cardiovascular risk factor. Until now, hypertension is still a big challenge in Indonesia and often found in primary healthcare service. In Southeast Sulawesi, hypertension was the most common disease in 2016, amounting to 18,054 cases, while for Kendari it was 19,542 cases. In Poasia Health Center, hypertension is the most degenerative disease in the top 19 diseases. The visit of hypertension surfaced in 2017 was 1,600 cases. In recent years, there has been a lot of interest in developing herbs to deal with cardiovascular disease such as hypertension. One of the herbs that has the property to reduce high blood pressure in Nigella sativa or community called black seed. In Indonesian, this herb is called black cumin, which is a flowering plant that grows with a height of 19 and 13. Nigella sativa containing flax oil, thymoguan, nigellon, vitamin A, B, C, and niacin, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antihistamine, and anti-tumor properties. There are good antioxidant effects for sufferers of cardiovascular disease. Nigella sativa superoxide dismutase catalase, glutathione peroxide, glutathione reductase, and glutathione transferase, which are known as protein elements to remove reactive free radicals. One form of Nigella sativa extract, which has properties in reducing blood pressure in Nigella sativa oil. The purpose of this study was determining the effect of Nigella sativa oil in reducing blood pressure in hypertensive adult in Puasia Health Center, Kendari City, Indonesia. Next. Methods. 1. Study design. The research design used in this study was quasi-experimental research with the pre-test and post-test with control group design. 2. Participant. The total population of hypertensive patients was 1,600. A simple random sampling technique was used to select the participant. Inclusion criteria of the participant were hypertensive adults without a complication in the working area of Puasia Health Center in Kendari. 3. Instrument. Manometer and a stethoscope were used to measure blood pressure. 4. Data collection. Data were collection from July until October 2019, and the experimental group was given Nigella sativa oil on March as 500 mg a day for the month, while the control group was not given any intervention. Blood pressure was measured before and after intervention. Next. 5. Data analysis. Data were analyzed using descriptive statistic and ANOVA that examine the effect intervention. 6. Ethical consideration. This study was approved by the EAKMA Health Research Ethics Committee with no 002 KEPKI AKME 5 2019 sign of verbal agreement were also obtained from respondents who participate in the study that the research conducted did not cause harm to respondents. Next. Result. Table 1 illustrates that respondents in the both control and intervention group were dominated by family respondent 85% with an average age of 37 and 32 years. Next. Table 2 shows that there was a significant effect of Nigella sativa oil on change in systolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients with a p-value of 0.001, and Table 3 so that there was a significant effect of Nigella sativa oil on change in diastolic blood pressure in patients with hypertension with a p-value of 0.001. Next. Discussion. Findings of the study indicates that there was a significant effect of Nigella sativa in reducing blood pressure among adults with hypertension. It's a belief that Nigella sativa has a vasoactive effect on blood pressure. A previous study revealed that vasoreduction effect of Nigella sativa indicates relaxation depending on contraction in the aortic ring precontracted by PA and KSA. Nigella sativa seed extract give rise to relaxation in the aortic ring contracted by KSI and PA. Vasocontraction of vasorelaxation depends on endothelium production. PA and adrenocaptor agonist cause contraction of the aorta BCA2 entering via ROCC and released by CA2 from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Nigella sativa inhibits aortic ring contraction caused by PA. Nigella sativa also reduces aortic contraction when PA is produced by stable contraction followed by CA2 and gradually entering CA2 Nigella sativa seed block ROCC to reduce extracellular CA2 entry, which is an important mechanism in aortic relaxation. Therefore, Nigella sativa reduces hypertension. Next. Black cumin seeds can traditionally be used as an antihypertensive, including several other health problems such as digestive disorders and skin disease. A study concluded that strong and beneficial activity in Nigella sativa oil and protection components has a positive role and antioxidant in brain development and has been widely used as an antihypertensive, similar with a previous study that Nigella sativa seed extra could reduce blood pressure significantly. Next. Conclusion. There is significant effect of Nigella sativa oil in reducing blood pressure in hypertensive adults. This study provides an input specifically for the Puasia Health Center and the people in the Kendari in general. Adult patients with hypertension are recommended to consume Nigella sativa oil as an alternative therapy to control blood pressure without side effect. Next. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.